Now na makadresser. So today, I'll be discussing you the concept of recreation. So, when you hear the word recreation, unsa man ang recreation, it comes to your mind, unsa man na, ha? Pwede, himo kay, on the word creation, no? Sige, any idea? Hindi, silingan mo lang in dayo. Ay, kaya hindi, silingan mo ta. Sige. Unsa man na? Recreation, unsa man na recreation? Kamantay mo itong gibuhat ko rin, ito na nayot, ha? That's one of the example of a recreation. So, ay kagaol, kuha mo kabalo, pahibawon mo kayo, mag-quiz tao niya, sa gatos ka po. Paningot. So, what's the recreation, sir? The concept of recreation. Recreation, paminaw, ay musiglingi na, naradring gwapo. Paminaw, recreation is an activity that people do during their free time. So, ano may idea? Do during their free time. So, unsa may mga buhaton nyo during your free time? Ikaw, miss, unsa buhaton mo? Gwapo ni si miss, nung nindot kikilay. Yan ni daw seryoso. Unsa may buhaton nimo kung free mo time? TikTok. Unsa pa? Ikaw. Unsa man? Mag-stalk ni crush? Although it's still a form of recreation, but it belongs to passive recreation. But later, i-discuss na. So, recreation is an activity that people do during their free time from the business, the work, studies, household chores niya, duties and responsibility. So, pwede mo makahatag na ko og recreation. Can you give me an example of recreation during your free time sa school? Unsa may mabuhat mo sa school? Study, kana. Unsa pa? Ha? Active, pwede ka po. Unsa pa? Lain. Kana, mag-TikTok. So, daghan kayo, no? Magbasag libro, mag-Facebook, daghan nyo kayo. Ang uban, mag-TikTok, ang uban, mag-thirst trap, di ba? So, recreation must be fun, enjoyable, and socially acceptable, helping cultivate a steady balance in life. So, recreation should be enjoyable and it doesn't harm people. So, always remember nga, when you do recreation activity or recreational task, dapat dili mo mga unsa, dapat safety ni siya. And it should be socially acceptable. So, when we say socially acceptable, unsa man na, kanang, so, maghimo mo recreational activity lang, sige, magdagandagan mo simbahan na misa. Diba? That's a form of recreational activity, kanang mag-jogging, kana siya. Or, for example, playing cards, magduwa magtungit. Still, it's recreational. But, Simon God, tungit, it's already a form of gambling. That's why, it's really prohibited. So, di ginaangay. Lingko na, sir, tingnan na niya ay. Gwapo ni bata, gwapong alot ba? So, recreation can also be seen as a social instrument because what it can contribute to the community. Kasi ka po yung Drake Village. Subdivision. Ha? Kasi mga yayaman nindri, anak kontraktor, nga na ba? Bitaw, kung makabantay mo, if pareha sa mo, we have our yearly pista, we gather people to play, kanang kalingawan pista ba? Kanang maghimo may party games, pista, siya mga recreational activity na siya. And, siya, it could contribute to build community. Ang relasyon ninyo sa inyong mga silingan, ng mga libakira, maband o balik. So, dili na mo magkontra-kontra. Di ba? Yes or no? So, ganina, aki mo karoon, hilom na kayo mo. Pero ayun lang sa mga pagsaba. So, next. Recreation programs planned and implemented by both private and government organizations build socially desirable behaviors such as using one's free time wisely and maintaining one's physical fitness. So, daghan din sila diay. So, gi-implement din sila sa both private and government organization. So, unsa man ni? For example, government organization, wala ta kabantay no. Kisa may mga member tupad diri. Wala? Tupad. Kana manilig-nilig ka, ano ba? Nilig-nilig ka. That's a form of recreational. Maglihok-lihok ka ba? Pero once you are being paid, manggod, it's although you did a recreational task, but once you are paid, dili na siya recreational, murag panginabuhi na na. Kay recreational manggod siya, recreational activity, you can just do it during your free time. Sikit ako tutunlan eh. So sa private sector po, nasa na sila? Ingana sad mo establish or mo give of opportunity sa mga tao nga mo trabaho, nga buhaton ni ani nga particular nga activity, mo hold na sila nga nga event to have recreational activity. For example, sa mga subdivision, di ba? Magbuhat-buhat ng mga homeowners. There are homeowners that has the initiative to do an activity in the subdivision na mga anak. So balik ka sa there are four different recreation. It's a passive, active, indoor, and outdoor. So nakadiscuss naman ko gamay. Kung may passive recreation, can you give me one example? One or two or three, daghan dyan kayo. Saan? Ikaw? Wala? Allah. Tsaka na. Wala eh. May daghan good. Kanang mukuot ka sa imong earpods. Ibutang naman sa imong dunggan, maminaw kag music. That's an passive recreation. Kanang mulingkod ka, matanang ang TV. That's an passive recreation. Kanang madto ka busay sa tops, sightseeing ka rito. That's passive recreation. O kanang magsilpon-silpon. Kana, passive recreation nga po na. Kanang matug! Kisa na matug. Tudong. Ay, sa tug, tudong. Kanang okay na ka? Tarong ba, you don't feel okay? Saan? Kinanglan ka paway or pangin na ka? O, kanaya, pangin, recreation. Daghan kayo. Plus, ayaw tao mo katuga, kaya puwiso ni listo, na ba kayo? And the other one is the active recreation. So, unsa man ni active? O, kabahan mo passive, kaya mga ang passive, di ba, static naman, mga dili ka mo move. So, unsa man ni active? Ha? Unsa man active? Dagan! Dog basket! Na? Unsa man ni sila? Ay, diin mo, Kanang magduwa ng arnis! Mga kanang move atong body, mauna sila yung mga active recreation. Unsa ito mga active recreation? Jogging. Running. Swimming, hiking. So, padaghan yung ino. Kung ato tayo sa tagsaon, mabuang siya mo. Betaw. Makikita mo sa mga anak ba? Pero klase yun, hindi mo. So, Na may idea sa passive. So, indoor. Unsa man indoor recreation? Ha? Sword. Oh, sword. Pwede. Sword. Indoor good. Oh, di ba? O, gawas. Di, unsa man? Outdoor. Oh. Sabi, naman nakatunan ni Sarah. Indoor recreational activity. Give me an example of indoor recreational activity na mention na ninyo a while ago. Ha? Unsa? Yoga, yoga. Ano? TV? Ito to, watching TV? Oh. Unsa pa indoor? Hala, di mo tingog. Kamu dia, boys. Apel tao mo klase, masing nagtumog flower mo dia. Unsa? Ha? Gym, indoor, gym. Gym, so klaro na ninyo ang indoor recreational, nakasabot na mo? Sure ba? Pantay mo, tana ko niya. How about the outdoor? Jogging, hiking. Dahil sige, mag-hiking mo, suot yung balay no. Mabuang mo ba? Mala yung mama, ano sige, naglakaw-lakaw na. Hiking mo ba? Saan? Hiking, swimming, it could be indoor, outdoor, volleyball, it could be indoor, outdoor. Sa ba? Oh, biking. Oh, kana, mao na. Nindot, dali kayo mo kasabot. Ganahan ko niya klase. Ana, agad. Char. So, dili rin kay jogging or sports ang example sa recreational activity. Daghan dyan kayo. Muso diri sa excuse me. Muso diri si sports, si travel, dancing, arts and craft. Kinsa may mo drawing diri? Why may mo drawing diri? Para may kang drawing diri. Pa-drawing niya ko na diri ha. So, yeah, kanang drawing and arts and craft, kana bitaw, sitaw na, kusan, pahan man ano? Crochet, oh. Para sa kanang recreational activity na siya. Ano na sa kwan? Sa benefit of recreation. Benefit of recreational activity. So, there are 4 benefits of recreational activity: the personal, social, economic, and environmental. So, aron di mo maglisod, pinangga mo mong share, tagsa-tagsaon ko niyo explain, bahalag, medyo napagaw na ta. So, personal, it will contribute to a full and meaningful life. So na feel you will feel your purpose in life. You will see your worth. Di ba niana ko nga anong gibiyaan mo kunya di ko worth it. But if you will have recreational activity, you will see your worth. Makita niyo yung worth, ha? Nakuno, grabe ka worth it. Sa ba? Grabe rin sa worth ay. Karang di jud ko ang ngay mag-goal kung gabihan kaniya. Ang nawa. Ha? Helps promote physical fitness. Anong magsiya basketball, jogging ka kana, may na siya ma-promote ang physical fitness, ma-maintain. And it will aid the stress. So kung stress mo, naghanasag kuan ni Seray. Naghanasag kanang si tawag na, naghanasag activity ni Seray. Ano man ni Sir dagan mo kay gipabuhat. So I'll just pause 30 minutes, then do different things that you will recreate. At least makapaway mo. And it will serve as essential source of positive self-image. So, for example, si ma'am, si miss, di ba, kabaw kang drawing, ma-nurture mo ang imong talent. Wow, kabaw dyan mo drawing yan. Dili tanan, kabaw mo drawing, so, muran mo ma-bring up mo self mo, kaya sa kamao dyan ko ani. Nakuha ra? Hindi mo ko, muli lang mo. Bitaw. Lagi, musugot sa nakaraan eh. Bitaw. So, it also plays an important role in the human development process, especially in children. So, ma-develop sa human development process. Especially sa mga bata. Kamu, do you consider yourself as bata pa? Dili na kayo no, mga teen naman no. Mga PBB teen edition naman mo no. So kaya mga bata, baka na magduwa pag batulata, magkuhan pa ka na, sa tawag ka na, mag-Chinese, oh. Ma-develop ilang mga technique sa ilang mga style, sa duwa, ano ba, sa ilang, bisag kanang kamaro, di na lang ma-develop. So daghan yung kayong ma-develop sa imong personal development kung nakakani mga recreational activity. So it also provides positive lifestyle choices and alternative to destructive behavior for teenagers. So kani common ra ba kayo rin panahon na kanang dali kita ma-down, if dali problema, then we will consider things as very problem as a we will consider things as a problem which is not that really a problem. Kanang dili kita ka kuan bitaw, dili ta ka decide kung unsang problema ato piliun. Bisag dili ka angay mo problema na, imo na ng problemahon. So you will just do a recreational activity, then at least ma-ease na siya imong feeling ng ana. So arito sa social, so I'll just give 3 example lang since I think we don't have enough time. But I'll try to discuss this all. Social, so it provides leadership opportunities that build community. So sa social mo, siyempre, provide gina yourself na murag ang inyong community ba ma-build it as one. So naadi ang leadership through recreational activity. Next is reduce alienation, loneliness, and antisocial behavior. Yeah, kanang baka you will adopt your neighbors. Kanang gingon ko kanina nga bisag nibakira siya, makalimot ang mo kay makalimot mo sa iyang mga sa kay nagbuhat mo recreational activity that's bond you as one. Kanang inyong gi-build balik niyo relasyon ba? Nga mo na siya. And it promotes ethnic and cultural harmony. So nagkausa mo tanan, even you have different culture. So diversity, harmony. Nindot kayo na ano. Wala ko rin ginunutan. And the third one is economic. Serve as preventive health service. So ang recreational activity, it serve as preventive health service. Gilikay mo sa mga posibleng kanang matumog doktor nga na. Diyan, nakipagkota na. Boys, ayaw mo sige labay-labay. So, ilikay mo sa mga posibleng hospitalization visit, nga na ba kay tungod sa inyong nindot na jud kayo mong surrounding ba sa personal, sa social, murag ba perfect bitaw ninyo, wala gyud stress ba. At least dili kay mo dabi magsugot na ng sakit-sakit. So it also in economic, it result in a fit and ultimately productive workforce. Magkaiusa mo tanan, dali ra kayo ang tanan. So it is easy for you, for all of you nga mabuhat ni nga niya task if magkaiusa mo. And another one is motivates business relation and expansion in the community. So yeah, even sa business lisod sa recreational activity. So, may mga relasyon, for example, na may mga meetings sa inyong mga co-business partner for a close deal, magamit niyo sa recreational activity. So, maka-build ka po mag-relasyon. Yeah, mo-follow rin niyo sa tanan kids, basta nindot inyong personal, inyong social, yeah. Kay wala mo may negativity sa iyong mind, sa iyong body. Mano siya, nga murag okay rin kita tanan. And arita sa environmental. Creates awareness of an interest in nature, especially during trekking and hiking activities. So, unsa man ba? Create awareness of an interest in nature, especially during trekking and hiking activity. Kung saan na? Sabi sabot niya na. So, nag-create siya of awareness of an interest. So, palitan, mag-trekking mo. At magbuntod. Nya, dato naman mo. At ako na mo Andre SMB. Ano ba? Oh. So, bati man na siya. So, mana siya nga, at ma-aware mo ba nga, ala, so ako pag-hiking na kunahon na, kung nga na, magdim na ma-oy. Daga mabahaan na sad mi itong pareha atong bagyong tinukuan. And the last one, it encourage involvement in conversation of natural resources. Ang sama na? Class, ang na? Any idea? Wala no? Ako ganyan, gilisuran sa ko. Encourage involvement in conservation of natural resources. So, inyong i-conserve ang mga natural resources. Dili na inyong hilabtan, inyo na silang kampingan. Pareha ng mga rare na kayo nga flowers sa Philippines. Makakita mo na kung mag-create mo to. Inyo na siyang kampingan. Like, inyo na siya marami ito, inyo siya explore. But, yeah, explore nga. Pero, carefully exploring the kanang mga ana ba? Nga, kani uso na lang niya or 5 na lang niya sa Cebu kalibutan, ang pingan. Kaya mga tagsa lang ba ito kanya magitaan? Nakasabot mo? Nakasabot mo? Ano ba? So ano, nangutangan ako. Ang motor bag, syempre 9 points. Tag 10 points ang usa. Oh. Can you give me an example of personal benefit of recreational activity? Oh. Ikaw. Tulog ka ng research. Sige. Sige, sunod ha. Sige, natug. Believe ba? Awa, natug yan. Minaw. Sige. Daman. Peace of mind. Very good. Ato papakan. Tap. Wala, papakan ito ba? Kadua ikaw, personal. Unsay benefit sa recreational activities of personal? Physical health, very good. Pakpakan na sa nato. How about sa social? Atong gidiscuss nako. What benefits can we possibly get from the social through recreational activity? Unsa man? Aron na sad. Ano man naman ka? Tagay ko sa mo name niya. Ikaw? Ikaw? Ha? Kunsa? Hindi signal, why connection? More connection. More connection. So yeah, at least makabuild mong relasyon. Siyempre, di ko mas... Di ko musugot o di ni mga sila kusulingan. Sumbong di ko sa iyong mama. Kung sa maninday? Sa benefits sa social, nga makuha na to through recreational activity.
Makaband with other people.
Very good, pakpak! Ikatlo, economic benefits. So, what are the benefits that we can get from recreational activity? From economic recreational activity. Unsa ganito? Unsa to? Why answer manodlo ha? Ikaw, saman? Business? Wow, very good, business. Oh. Mas dagan tag business, mas taas ato economic. So, dagang opportunity, makakita tag trabaho nga nindot. Kung nindot ato economic. Another one, ikaw miss. Ikaw. Di ikaw, ito luyo, ikaw. Ha? No, uy, sige na, naalagi na. Uno na, ganti kang mga 10 seconds. Unsa man? Sige mo, talikod ko, hindi ka ma-intimidate. Sige, unsa man? Sige. Sige. Ha? O environment, pwede sa environment. Pagpakan talaga po na to. Kanilas. Environmental benefit. Unsa man eh? Unsa may ma-benefit? No, ingon. Are you saying something in there? Unsa man? Sige na, unsa man? Sige, palayo ko, hindi ko doon. Oh, ikaw, unsa man? Oh, natural resources. Ano baktakan? Nakasabot na mo talang, no? Yes or yes? Very good. So, kano kayo nakasabot naman mo, can you please get 1/4 sheet of paper? Sayo na kaya tong exam eh. Sige na, get 1/4 sheet of paper silently. Atot eh. One-fourth. Faster, guys, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basta mabot na 15 ha, minus ha. 4, ay 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sige na, pas-pas na. Sige na, lingkod na. Ay, dili na. Balik mo diri. Maghuot mo dia. Dako kay tag lugar, sayo na kaya ang quiz, dili na. Balik mo diri. Sige na. Sige na, balik mo diri. Balik mo, kay magsugod na ta. Sige na, dudong, sige na. Sige na, aron mamuhi na mo. Okay mo diri, balay na dito ka, balay. Adri, ikan? Ha? Lipat ko nida. Atras mo gamay. Sayo na kayo, exam mo eh. Atras gamay. Occupy the vacant ba? Line. Straight line. Sige na, straight line. Di ko magsugod. Basta di mo straight line. Okay, maminaw. Ako pare. Sa'yo na kayo ni. 10 items, only 10 items, and the 5 items multiple choice, and the other 5 items is true or false, and just ask 3 examples of each positive, active, indoor, and outdoor recreational activities. Mora na. Sa'yo na kayo, di ba? So, number 1, ayun pa, papers up. Pens up. Okay, ready na. So number 1, what is recreational activity? A, an activity done only at school. B, an activity done for fun and relaxation. C, an activity done only for work. D, an activity that requires special skills. Kausaran ako istorya. Letter. Pens up. Okay. Pamina mo kay kausara ha. Sayo naman good. Number 2. Which of the following is an example of an outdoor recreational activity? A, watching TV. B, playing video games. C, hiking. and D, reading. A, watching TV. Ang question. Lakausa, sige, kag chance. Which of the following is an example of an outdoor recreational activity? A, watching TV. B, playing video games. C, hiking. D, reading. Pens up. Down. Paminaw. Sa'yo na kayo ni kausar, ginakabalik ko question ha. Which activity is considered indoor recreation? A, swimming in lake. B, playing badminton in a gym. C, gardening. D, flying a kite. Ana. I will not reiterate the question. Mao na to. Pens up. Pens up. Pens up, pens up. Down. Number 4. Why is recreation important? A, it helps us feel stress. B, it keeps us tired. C, it improves our health and well-being. And yeah, sira kutub. Pili mo to. Why is recreation important? It helps us. A, it helps us feel stress. B, it keeps us tired. C, it improves our health and well-being. Hands up. Number 5. Which is an example of active recreation? A, listening to music. B, playing chess. C, jogging. D, drawing. Drawing. Bisaya accent. Drawing. Hands up. True or true, false or false? Ha?
6.
Isa na lang. 6. 6. Recreation helps people relax and enjoy their free time. True or false? Recreation helps people relax and enjoy their free time. True or false? Tira, okay, Efra. Pwede na. Sige na, dayon sa. Number 2. All recreation activity must be done outdoors. True or false? Hands up. 3. Down na. 3. Playing team sports can help more improve social skills. True or false? Huh? No, really, Makarode? Playing team sports can help more improve social skills. True or false? False, Kanadri. True or false? Number 4, press up.